What's up, everybody, and welcome back. Well, it's been a little while since I've done a project update, so I thought today, since we're actually having some nice weather, this could be a good opportunity. So, we've been moving a lot. Ton of rock, ton of gravel. We still have quite a big pile back here to get through, but it's slowly coming along. Actually, it's coming along pretty quick, but I kind of want to show some fun stuff that's happening right here. So, clearly you can see we're getting ready for the pour, the final slab. Walls are up, plumbing is already in, which is cool. So all of this stuff is coming together pretty well. But I want to show you what's sort of happening with what the layout of the lawn's going to end up looking like now that there's, we're getting to the point of seeing where the grade is going to be on everything. So coming up behind the building, check this out. Nice big flat spot, about 1,000 square feet right here. That's from the wall, edge of the back of the building, going over here to the rock pile. About 1,000 square feet in here. So this is something that I'm still trying to decide what I really want to do with, if it's going to be a concrete area, put in a sport court, something like that, or if this is just going to be a turf zone. Since it is so flat, it's really hard to know the best thing. But we've got a couple cool things happening now over here, and you'll start to see the contours. Now I'm up on top of the 8-foot wall. The building's going to end up being about 14 feet, and the whole idea, again, is to design the landscape to take in the views. So right back here, we started scratching in. This is all going to get elevated with a retaining wall and have another large flat section up on the top. So it's starting to sort of take shape. You can kind of see what it's going to look like. I'm going to get up here real quick and sort of get to the elevation of where this is going to be. So just over here, started to level a little bit of this out so you can kind of see where this next tier is going to be. And so now you can kind of get the scope of the way the lawn's going to look. So just going over here, I'm going to get everybody an idea from this angle. This whole hillside heading down in tiers is all going to be turf as well. So all in all, it's looking like there's going to be a little over 5,000 square feet when it's all said and done, maybe close to 6,000 square feet. But the difference between what this used to look like, where the hill just sloped away steeply, we've now got some cool level spaces. So when I made that rest in peace video that some of you guys watched, you know, obviously I was talking about the old lawn, which is half gone at this point. This whole area used to be lawn all through here, so that's all gone. But that is also going to go away. So we thought we were going to get a little further ahead with some of the fill, because I know what a lot of people are going to ask is, what are you going to do with all those giant boulders and rocks and stuff? Well, if you look at the grade here, there's about a 2-foot elevation change. This is actually going to have a rock wall come right around here at that 2 feet and down around and die into the hill down on this side when the golf green goes in over here. So this whole section is actually getting elevated by 2 feet. So it'll be at about the height of the blonde stone back there coming across. So a significant amount of this rock and fill has got to come in down here and fill all of this area in. Now, that's not the only spot. There are some huge boulders and things like that that we're also getting rid of. Well, over on this side, the way that it kind of ended up working out, as you can see up here, there's a pink flag just up above where my property line is. And that extends just down through here. So we're gonna take some of those larger boulders and make this a little bit bigger and get more width on this upper drive area so that it actually can hold a few more cars and take a little bit more advantage of the grade, kind of slope things away. Because you can see we've already widened it just down here off the edge of my car there. It's already 10 or 12 feet wider, and we still have a little bit more space to go. So a lot of stuff coming on. The kids voted, and they decided that we needed to keep the tiny house So that's actually going to get moved, but again, that's not going to happen till spring. So you can kind of get an idea if I just take, this little picture here and show you an aerial view. This is kind of what it's going to look like. We'll have this whole area here will be grass probably right across the back. Maybe it'll be a sport court. Then we've got this line that'll move across the back, and then another large area of turf up above. And then the sloping hill will come down, moving all the way down towards the golf green, and that'll end up being the whole lawn area when it's all said and done. So overall, it's pretty exciting. It is a lot of work, and we are absolutely blessed to be having incredible weather right now, and it's not supposed to change for the next little while. So winter is really pushed back. Framers arrive on Monday, materials are getting delivered, and it's all going to start looking like a real building here pretty soon. So that's what's happening around here right now, and it's a lot. But that's it. I just wanted to share, give you guys a quick project update on what was happening over here, and kind of start to give you a clue on the way this whole thing's gonna come together for the 2021 lawn care season. In the meantime, if I don't see you in the next couple of days, have a happy and safe Thanksgiving. Enjoy your family time, and I'll talk to you real soon. See ya.